ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ 'ਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਨਾ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਚੇਂਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਮ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਲੋ ਅਚੀਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ।
Hello guys, welcome to the Bliss of Life, and this is episode number 6, and we have a very special friend of here, and her name is Pawan, and she will be sharing her bliss of life. So let's start. How are you, Pawan? How are you?
I'm doing great, Komal. How are you?
I am perfect. Thank you so much for asking, and welcome to the show. It's a privilege to have you here. Thank you so much for giving the time and sharing your experience and information with the audience. Can you tell me, as it's a bliss of life, what is your bliss of life?
You know, as you know me personally as well, a biggest bliss of my life is helping other people, and that is through our business opportunity, obviously. And at the same time, you know, we meet a lot of people on a daily basis who have different struggles, who are going through something at a different situation of a life. So whenever I think we are able to solve their problems, that's my biggest bliss, because somebody solved my problem a few years ago. So that's what gave me bliss.
Perfect. Thank you. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ ये bliss, like helping people. Obviously, somebody helped you, right? How all of this started? Like how are you like this kind of person, right? How it happened, all of that.
So Komal, I came as a student about 9 years ago, and I'm sure you were on the same path as well. And what happened at that time, that you know, I was looking for something to do where I can give my 100% as a career and also, you know, get success out of it. But at the same time, you know, I come from a family where there was, you know, money was always a problem. We are 4 siblings. I always had to make sure that if I'm doing something, they're looking up to me, and I can provide for them as well. And you know, I've done odd jobs, worked in factories and field jobs. I was from a medical career earlier, done that as well. And what I was missing out there is that, you know, yes, we're working, we're making the money and bringing the paycheck home, but all my goals that I have are not actually becoming a reality. Time was passing by, but it wasn't really, you know, giving me that that one kick. You know, you get there, okay, I think I got what I wanted.
I was just about to say the word. You just said it.
So you know, when I got into financial industry about 6 years ago, it gave me a kick that hey, you're gonna work hard, you're gonna put in the efforts, but अगर इस चीज़ में डालोगे तो you'll actually get the return that you're looking for.
बट वो लाइक एक अंदर से आवाज़ आती है ना कि हाँ मेरे को करना है, तो वो पुश कैसे आया? लाइक बिकॉज यू हैड अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल, उसकी वजह से आया? बिकॉज यू वांटेड टू हैव इट लाइक बैडली, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम द फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री, राइट? तो वो मेडिकल से फाइनेंस में शिफ्ट होना इज अ लाइक अ बिग टास्क, राइट? क्योंकि आपका उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, तो इंटरेस्ट कैसे हुआ? लाइक हाउ डिड यू गेट सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट?
Komal, let me ask you this. When you came to Canada, did you work at any odd job?
I did.
उसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट था?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Okay, so ये you know why I'm asking this? Sorry if you mind it.
No, that's okay.
क्या होता है कि हम लोग बहुत कई बार स्ट्रेस करते हैं एक चीज़ पे कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट होगा तो मैं कोई काम करूंगा, इंटरेस्ट होगा तो मैं ये करूँ, बट इंटरेस्ट कैसे आएगा जब तक काम में नहीं जाते? हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे करी हैं स्टार्टिंग में जिसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, बट वी हैव टू डू इट to make sure we're actually paying the living, है ना? क्योंकि इस कंट्री में पैसा नहीं बना रहे हैं तो there's a struggle, you know, right? क्या हालात होते हैं. तो इंटरेस्ट, I always you know thought कि इंटरेस्ट तभी बनेगा when I'm giving something into an opportunity. मैं अपना कुछ 80% 100% एफर्ट दे रही हूँ तो ये कुछ I will get something back out of it, right? तो इनिशियली ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था.
Okay.
One of my friends, she was a nurse and she quit nursing and got into financial industry. And मेरा वही से इंटरेस्ट बना. Like okay, अगर वो नर्सिंग छोड़ के आ रही तो कुछ तो होगा.
Yeah.
And I'm sure like she will not be making a decision like that. So इसीलिए I was like okay, let me listen to her what she's saying and see how it goes. As a result, I first you know got my license, LLQP license, and you know started to look into the industry. Knowledge लेनी start करी because you know if a medical person you meet, you know they hate maths.
Yeah, right.
हम लोग जब फाइनेंस वर्ड सुनते हैं हमें लगता है कि अच्छा बहुत सारा मैथ और नंबर्स होंगे, तो डर जाते हैं. बट दैट वाज मिसकंसेप्शन दैट आई हैड बिकॉज आई अटेंडेड फ्यू ट्रेनिंग्स दैट आर फ्रॉम प्रोवाइड, एंड उसमें मैंने देखा कि कोई नंबर की बात नहीं है. लाइक इट्स मोर ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स व्हिच विल टॉक थ्रू आवर कन्वर्सेशन, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू डिलीवर फर्दर टू अदर पीपल, राइट? सो वो मेरा एक जो मिसकंसेप्शन थी नंबर्स वाली वो निकल गई, एंड इवेंचुअली आई वाज लाइक ओके, लेट मी गिव माय 100%, थोड़ा एफर्ट डालें चीज़ों में, एंड थिंग्स स्टार्टेड टू मूव ऑन अ राइट पाथ. one thing I'll add here as well, I had strong why. So basically what we call our opportunity is we are entrepreneurs. ठीक है?
Yeah.
कोई किसी का बॉस नहीं है इधर, सबको अपने हिसाब से काम करना है. There's a guidance, there's a lot of positions of leaders which help you. So entrepreneur रोल में आने के लिए you need to have a strong why, otherwise कोई भी आके कुछ भी बोलेगा you won't do anything,
Correct.
right? So वो why थी कि okay मेरी फैमिली को कोई हेल्प नहीं करेगा मेरे अलावा, वो डेट्स मुझे ही पे करने हैं,
Correct.
मेरे सिबलिंग्स को मुझे ही सेटल इन करना है, तो why would I listen to others?
Correct.
So that was a reason to get it on track, I believe.
Perfect. जब आपको like इस चीज़ में when you're growing, right, you obviously you're very successful in this industry. I hope you know achieve more. But before you start and while you're achieving, a lot of people ज्ञान बॉन्ड बांटते हैं ना लोग, ऐसे मत करो वैसे मत करो, क्या कर रहे हो? Did it happen with you as well?
Absolutely yes. It's I think ये सबके साथ ही होता है. Doesn't matter, it's our industry, it could be any career. Like see, you open TikTok today, everybody is giving their own suggestion.
Correct.
ये काम नहीं अच्छा, वो नहीं अच्छा, वो नहीं करना, इसमें नहीं कुछ बनेगा. But अगर सभी कामों में कुछ नहीं बनेगा तो फिर why other people who are successful into it वो कैसे हो गए? Would you agree, जब हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे जब उन्होंने कुछ स्टार्ट किया था उनको भी ये चीजें फेस करनी मिली होंगी,
बिल्कुल.
right? They also faced rejections, they also faced negativity, doubts, everything. तो हमें भी सेम चीज मिल रही है. ये क्या है कि जब डाउट्स और कोई रिजेक्शन देता है, कोई नेगेटिविटी देता है, वो इसका एक रीजन ये भी होता है कि वो बंदे को लगता है वो नहीं कर सकता तो आप भी नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
ऐसा ही है.
Very very important point.
उसको लगता है if I can drive a truck, you can drive a truck. If I can't be, you know, a real estate agent, you can't be a real estate agent. If I can't sell insurance, you can't sell insurance. So it's their own personal opinion that they try to put it on us. Basically, that's how rejections are made.
पर जब ऐसे आपको कोई बोले तो आप हैंडल कैसे करते थे?
See, it's so funny. When I started in this industry, मेरे क्रेडिट कार्ड बहुत piled up थे, मतलब कभी पे ऑफ ही नहीं होते थे. Right? इंटरेस्ट पे इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है and all. So I was always like neck to neck, है ना? तो मैंने लाइसेंस देने के लिए इनिशियली कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है ना, $300-400 मेरा लग गया था. एंड देन somebody said कि अच्छा पता नहीं चलेगा कि नहीं, ये तो ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है. मैंने कहा यार मेरा तो पैसा लगा है, वो 300-400 भी बहुत मैटर करता है मुझे. लाइक आजकल तो हम देखते हैं पीपल आर नॉट रियली कंसिडरिंग few $100 एज वेल एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, बट दैट मैटर सो मच टू मी. तो मैंने इनिशियली तो उस वजह से किसी की नहीं कुछ सुनी कि मेरे को एक बार लाइसेंस तो अपना लेना ही है, ठीक है, पैसा लगा है. क्योंकि उसके बाद जो रिजेक्शंस और कुछ भी फेस किया वो ये था कि अगेन राइट, कौन मेरी सिचुएशन में मुझे हेल्प करेगा. लाइक कोमल, आई हैड अबाउट $80,000 डेट, फैमिली डेट, है ना, जो मेरा नहीं था ऑब्वियसली, बट घर की चीज़ें थी. आई वांटेड टू डू इट फॉर माय पेरेंट्स. वी नेवर हैड अ कार, वी ऑलवेज स्ट्रगल्ड फॉर इवन रुपीस बैक होम, है ना. तो मुझे था कि अब वो स्ट्रगल मैंने तो देखी है अब until 18 years, तो मेरे सिबलिंग्स क्यों देखें, राइट, दे वर यंगर देन मी. तो वो सारी चीज़ें हमेशा मेरे सामने आती थी. कोई कुछ कहता था, ओके इन्होंने मेरे कर्जे नहीं उतारने, इन्होंने मुझे पैसा नहीं देना,
Correct.
तो ठीक है कह रहे हैं, ओके आई विल प्रूव इट टू देम. वो चीज़ को मैंने हमेशा ऐसे लिया है कि करके दिखाएंगे आपको.
Correct.
Right. Yeah,
And I think so you proved it very well.
Definitely, and God played a very big role in it. We are so grateful. You know, me and my husband, we both are in the business together. We're living the life that we always dreamt of today, and God has played a bigger role, like biggest role in our whole career. He always made sure he showed up in some form or the other. कई बार किसी को भेज दिया, कई बार किसी कॉल आ गई. That hey, don't give up on yourself. Yeah.
And he also didn't give up. Like obviously there's so many hardship, क्योंकि बंदा ज़्यादातर security ढूंढता ना, do a job, you know, let me do
Right.
it.
Right.
But lot of very rare people who have the courage to take the risk, and you did it, and that's why you're successful. I believe so कि आपने वो risk लिया, and that's why you where you are and you're here, right? It's a great thing.
So there's a saying, they say you have to give up the good to get the great.
Correct.
Right? So if I would have thought of, you know, my job was paying about $28 per hour, मैं सोच रही हूँ अच्छा वो निकल जाएगा, like $28 घंटे के नहीं मिलेंगे. तो अगर इस चीज़ में आते हैं full time, obviously there's no salary, no fixed pay. Risk तो obviously you feel initially, but if नहीं करते तो नहीं होता, right? That 28 would never become 50.
Correct.
But here the 2000 become 5 and 15 and 20, and you could even replace your annual income on a monthly basis too in this industry.
It's a very powerful industry. आपने कभी अपने आप को जैसे आप पहले थे and the way you are, have you ever compared like how far I have come, and I'm like how you feel about it, like क्या वो feeling आती है when you think about that?
You know, this is very close to me. This is almost every second day or every day almost. You know, I mentioned, right, my husband's in the business, so we both are doing it. And जब भी हम, by the time we finish our day and we sit down, go in the car, go back home, वो half an hour का जो रास्ता है यही बातें करते हैं कि यार कहाँ पे थे, like how God has brought us from where we were and where we are today, and we can't even believe it. Sometimes खुद को पिंच करने की वो लगता है कि यार अच्छा कर लिया, ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. It is definitely a great feeling. We feel like crying. Like I personally feel like crying. बंदे strong होते हैं वो नहीं. I feel like crying कि यार क्या था और क्या हो गया, क्योंकि like it was very hard, Komal. Those things were like to pay my fees for the last semester. I know how I've done it, right? Taking credits from everywhere, going places, going to banks, asking if you're giving credit cards out. You know, done all that. क्यों? क्योंकि वो option बची नहीं थी end में आके, वही चीज़ें थी. So अब सोचते हैं कि यार अभी I never have to worry about making the payment and never have to worry about mortgage जा रही है, कितनी जा रही है, like all of that, right? कि वो कैसे हुआ, वो एक level of financial freedom कैसे achieve हुआ, because staying consistent on our goals, giving our 100%. Human nature is like हम चाहते हैं efforts कर रहे हैं, we want results right away.
Yeah.
कई बार क्या होता है, see, success is never denied, it could be delayed.
Correct.
Right? So वो delay जब होता है ना, तब बहुत लोग quit कर जाते हैं कि यार अब नहीं हुआ तो कभी नहीं होगा, छोड़ो कुछ और करते हैं. And I think वो चीज़ में हम लगे रहे. We have made sure that we're not giving up on it, and as a result that freedom is somewhere there, but still we have a long way to go. We don't feel like we have done much yet. There's
Still
lot of
don't
stuff
feel?
to do. There's a lot of stuff to do. We look into you know, so many numbers in our company, a lot of stuff to be done, and we feel like we're just getting started.
You
Just the
also
beginning.
lead other people as well? कि
Yes.
वो-
So we have 100+ advisors in our team across
Okay.
Canada and USA.
That's nice.
Yeah, so Canada and US both we're expanding, and a lot of those people are making money. Best part in our business is when somebody else get paid in your team. We feel the best. Like you might have seen my last video
Yeah.
with our top advisor. She was very disappointed after making $8,000.
Yeah.
But because her goal was to make 10+, and that's the kind of people we are also surrounded with, who think big, who believe in the possibilities. So.
Well, you also give a lot. There's a lot of important role you play in terms of pushing other person. You have pushed me a lot as well. I can't even deny how many times I have tried to give up. I think so because of you. I've always think, yaar, I have to do it. मेरे को करना है. I have to do it. I finally did it.
Right.
So
right.
I think so. It's just because of you I was able to do it. And the kind of leader you are, it's outstanding. Like you are commendable in that. So I would just say
really
that
appreciate
really dil se that you are very good in this thing. And also lot of people don't have financial education. जब वो like वो बोलते हैं save करना, पर save कोई करता नहीं है.
Right.
And you also put me in that path, because I myself was not into that, and I want to know what one advice you will give कि जब बोलते हैं यार पैसे नहीं हैं, कैसे save करें, क्या करें, what advice you will give, क्या कर सकते हैं वो?
Good question, Komal. So we have clients who make, let's say, $20,000 to $30,000 on an annual basis to $500,000 to $1 million as well. So very different range of clientele. And what I have noticed in everyone's scenario, it's that financial discipline is missing. Money is not a problem. Okay. Somebody who make less, they can save less. Somebody who make more, they can save more. So money is there, but that discipline is missing. So one piece of advice, obviously there's so many of them, but one piece of advice is, you know, if somebody is, you know, ready to sit with you, let's have that conversation and get yourself financially educated. Anybody in financial industry understands that it's not an obligation that will get you started on something.
Correct.
Imagine if I would have really pushed you that, okay, do this plan, it's very good for you, it's this and that. No, you wouldn't have done it.
Yeah, right.
All I did, I gave my 100%, show you the value in the numbers and how it's going to work and how it will be laid out in the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years. Right?
Correct.
You like that layout, you actually understood that, okay, it's saving 10% of your income or so, and it, you know, it's going to be a feasible number.
Right.
So you did it. So one advice is here that save at least 10% out of your money. How to strategize it, obviously sit down with a professional who can guide you for that. But strategize your income before it comes. So pay yourself first, then do the other part that you're doing, shopping and spending and all.
Correct.
You know, we pay other bills, but we don't pay
Yes,
ourselves. So,
yes.
yeah.
आपको ऐसा भी लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोग they take the financial advice but they never act upon it?
right? Definitely. It's 90% of the time it's like
And
that.
then जब उनका कुछ ज़्यादा बिगड़ जाती है, then they come home. We are we are at the end. How should we do it? उस
Sure. So पहले तो वो सिचुएशन आती क्यों है? Because of associations. ठीक है, जैसे बंदों के साथ हम हैंग अराउंड करते हैं, अगर किसी का क्रेडिट मैच से दूसरे का भी हो जाता है, राइट? सेम लाइक इफ यू लिव इन अ हाउस वेयर 4 people आर pretty जिम फ्रीक, सिक्स पैक, पूरा फिट है, तो एक जो बेचारा नहीं है वो होएगा ही, क्योंकि उसको अभी अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि सभी कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कर लूँ, राइट? ऐसे ही होता है व्हेन समबडीज फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल इज देयर, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ एसोसिएशन इज द सेम. And how do they actually should get out of it is, again I said, right, have a proper plan for it, get yourself educated about it, and action lena definitely is one thing that people misses out, not only just in financials, in everything. Like everybody know weight lose karna hai, gym jana hai, fir bhi nahi jayenge, right? So wo action to obviously lena hi padega. Same goes in financial industry. But what we do, how we do it, Komal, is, let's say I'm your personal advisor, 101, we'll talk about it, give you advice, right? So now you have me available like this, on a call, on a text, WhatsApp, most of it. So you'll be able to take a decision because you know me there.
Correct.
You have trust.
Correct.
Right? Sometimes when a third party is doing it for us, where we don't trust somebody, then only we hesitate that, okay, I don't know what kind of person is this, what kind of company is this, how it's going to manage my money. So we lose on the trust. As a result, we're not able to take action too. So having trust and having proper education is very important.
मतलब उसके बगैर नहीं कर सकते आप, मतलब you need to have put the trust on someone कि, और कितने लोग तो गलत गाइड भी करते हैं.
Yeah.
And how people can save themselves by educating, like by going online. ऐसा क्या अपने आप को कैसे educate कर सकते हैं that they can save themselves from that?
Sure. Komal, there are many books out there on this. Let's say, you search Amazon, personal finance book. There's so many things on there. That's one thing. Second is, a personal advisor who could guide you one-on-one without any obligation. Okay. Third thing that, somebody can do is, don't just blind trust on someone. People sign documents by just trusting.
Correct.
So let's say let's say somebody is doing an application for you for some sort of account, make sure what's coming to you, you're reading it, right? You know what you're signing on.
Yeah.
You're just not like, we have some people who said, okay, my payment was going from my account, I didn't even knew. The money has been going from 1 year. How can somebody be that, negligent that you can't even look at a bank account? What I also feel here is, we run from situation. That's human nature. If I used to do the same thing, Komal. When I told you my credit card was piled up. When I knew that I can't make a payment, I won't even open my bank account. Trust me, that's how I was. I won't even open the app because I know they're going to give a notice again, payment is due and all. So we run from situation rather than facing the situation. For example, if I have any, let's say recently from my credit card, some deduction was happening, $30 or so. Even though it is $30, I pay attention to it. And I called them and said, what is this about? They said, this has been going from last 2 months. And I said, yes, I noticed, but I don't recognize this. I haven't done it. I haven't signed up for anything like that. So they said, okay, no problem. We'll put it into the, the scam site and send you the money back and everything. Now imagine I'm that negligent. I don't even look at my credit card statement, what kind of payments I'm paying, not looking at my debit statements, and 1 year somebody's taking out the money of our account. How is that possible?
You have to be responsible for your own finances.
Yeah.
It's very important.
कई बार बंदा बोलता है यार धक्के से कर दिया उसने, like उसने पूरा फोर्स किया मुझे. कोई फोर्सफुली 10-11 महीने आपके अकाउंट से पैसे थोड़ी निकाल सकता है.
Correct.
Right? So I think we have to be very blunt on it. At the same point, I think we need to be very aware about what's happening with our money.
You have to be like up to date for everything, and also talk to more people, है ना? जब आप ज़्यादातर लोगों के साथ बात करते हैं, I think so आपको ज़्यादा knowledge भी मिलती है. ऐसा कभी हुआ है like people have neglected anything and they don't even know what's going on? Can you give me example?
होता है, just example I gave you, ऐसा ही होता है. कई बार वो बोलता है किसी ने मेरे से कोई इंश्योरेंस प्लान साइन करवाया था, उसके पैसे जा रहे हैं, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. 10 महीने 12 महीने पता ही नहीं चला. Right? That's like, okay, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? If that's me, I at least know payment क्या जा रही है. And I'll at least try to contact the company जिसके नाम से पेमेंट जा रही है, कुछ है, to figure out what's happening and all, right? मतलब to my sense, I don't think so it's possible कि कोई ऐसे ही करवा लेगा किसी से कुछ, ठीक है? उसमें हमारा भी है कि हम देख ही नहीं रहे. Right?
Correct.
And other situations are like when people have, let's say, some sort of money sitting into some different accounts which is not growing, not giving them any growth or interest, and it's been so many years that it's same. So people think ऐसा ही होगा कि अच्छा मेरा पैसा ग्रो नहीं कर रहा तो ऐसा ही होगा, सबका ही नहीं करता होगा. बट ऐसा नहीं है. देयर आर ऑप्शंस इन कनाडा. वी कैन एक्चुअली गेट गुड इंटरेस्ट ऑन आवर मनी. इंडिया में लाइक वी हियर एग्जांपल एफडी में इतना इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, इंडिया में ये मिलता है, वो सारी चीजें क्योंकि वो किसी ने किया है ऑलरेडी.
करेक्ट.
यहाँ पे भी ऐसी ऑप्शंस हैं, बट जस्ट बिकॉज उसके बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं दे रहा हो, कोई आम बात नहीं हो रही है इतनी ज्यादा, इसीलिए बंदे को लगता है कि ऐसी ऑप्शंस नहीं है. बट देयर आर ऑप्शन दैट एग्जिस्ट.
करेक्ट. आप जैसे इंश्योरेंस करते हो, बहुत सारे लोग गलत गाइड भी करते हैं. हाउ लाइक एंड पीपल लाइक मेरे को पता ही नहीं था, ये नहीं था मेरे पास. तो वो उस चीज़ को कैसे रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हो सिचुएशन को?
First thing is obviously read, as I said, right? Read what you're signing for, read what you're actually getting, look into your benefits, and again, don't hesitate to ask questions. Sometimes हम किसी क्लोज बंदे से कोई चीज़ ले रहे हैं, हमें लगता है कि उसको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो वो माइंड कर जाएगा शायद.
Correct.
Right? Or if I call the company, कैसा लगेगा? But I think if it's our hard-earned money, we're putting it for many years, we shouldn't be actually feeling hesitant about it. We should have, knowledge about it and ask questions. You can't just be signing documents like that.
Correct. Pawan, as you are in the people business, you also see आजकल लोग बहुत ज़्यादा negative हो रहे हैं. They are selling their houses, leaving Canada, because they have lost their hope. What you want to say on that? Like, what advice you will give to those people?
See, I think it's another piece of discussion. What happened initially is people actually went through some wrong financial decisions, which is no one's fault. अगर आसपास चीज़ें हो रही हैं, हम भी वही चीज़ कर सकते हैं, राइट? अगर कोई मेरे आसपास में फ्यू प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे फोकस कर रहा है, ले रहा है, तो आई लाइक मेरी एबिलिटी है तो मैं भी ले लेती हूँ. आई डू इट टू, राइट? बट अभी रिसेंटली विद द इकॉनमी शिफ्ट्स अप एंड डाउन, तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि पीपल हैव फेस्ड लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल चैलेंजेस. In that case, what I would suggest is at least focus on the positive side, right? Like selling the houses, going back home is another example. Is we can downsize, थोड़ा बाहर निकल के कुछ कर रहे हैं, right? Out of GTA, there's many places where we can go. Affordability is there, है ना? तो हम लोग क्या है कि देखा देखी में ज़्यादा फंस जाते हैं. उसने किया तो मैं भी कर लूँ, उसने घर बड़ा ले लिया तो मैं भी ले लूँ, right? I think focusing on the positive side is very important, and for positive self-talk is very important. Situation आती है सब पे, right? As we were talking about financial situations, हम पे भी थी, घर वालों पे, सब कुछ था. But अगर उसी चीज़ के बारे में if we're crying about it a lot, then we're never going to get a solution out of it. Like, in the morning I read somebody posted this, that life is full of problems, but it is also about life is going to be long, right? So you keep solving the problems and move on.
Correct.
Rather than crying about the problems, because solution चाहिए उसके लिए, right? So focusing on the positive side is very important.
And also लोग बहुत जल्दी देख के they get more depressed, and then they're like कोई solution नहीं है इस चीज़ का. And what thing I think so when people are facing this kind of problem, what you will say to them कि किस पे concentrate उनको उस time करना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले सोशल मीडिया बंद करना चाहिए. And they should
Very
actually
true.
spend more time
Yeah.
sitting with themselves and their family, spending time with each other, spending time with their parents, or take a break, go back home, no problem. Like take 20-30 days of a trip, sure. But social media पे क्या है, how everything is picturized is कि मतलब दुनिया ही खत्म होने वाली है, बस छोड़ दो सारा कुछ, इतना हार्ड वर्क भी क्यों करना है, राइट? रहने नहीं वाला कुछ यहाँ पे. तो इसलिए उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा देखते हैं, हमें लगता है कि यार उसके साथ हो रहा है, उसके साथ हो रहा है, तो मेरे साथ भी होगा ही. लेट्स से कपल ऑफ बिजनेसेस फेल्ड, तीसरे को लगता है मेरा भी नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि वैसे ही पिक्चराइज हुई हैं चीज़ें. एंड कोमल, हम कितनी बार देखते हैं लोग बात कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ पे कि यार आई बिलीव इन यू, यू कैन बी सक्सेसफुल.
करेक्ट.
कौन बात करता है कॉमनली? नहीं करते ना. बट अच्छा, कोई ये जरूर बोलेगा अच्छा तुमने भी ये शुरू कर लिया, ये काम तुम भी कर रहे हो, वो भी कर रहा था, उसका नहीं चला, तुम्हारा भी नहीं चलना.
या उससे ज़्यादा डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं.
सो हम लोग पॉजिटिविटी पे एंड एनकरेजमेंट पे, प्रेज पे कम फोकस करते हैं. वी फोकस ऑन कंपेयरिंग पीपल विद ईच अदर, एंड लाइक उसके लिए नहीं होगा तो मेरे लिए भी नहीं होगा. एंड एज अ रिजल्ट obviously depression and mental health is a topic these days. Why? Because that's missing out. People stopped sitting in a group and discuss life, but people sit in groups, discuss problems. TikTok live पे चले जाओ कभी, people are discussing what's happening in their household with the unknown person on TikTok live. Imagine. rather than talking it out in your house and actually making and finding a solution out of it. So वो conversation part is missing. Communication is a big issue these days.
मतलब लोग जो है वो नेगेटिव एक्सपेक्ट पे ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट करते हैं rather than being positive.
Right.
जो लोग पॉजिटिव बोल रहे होंगे उनकी तो वैसे ही वो बात नहीं सुनना चाहते, राइट, एंड दे डोंट फोकस ऑन दैट. परफेक्ट.
एंड एक और चीज है कि देखो, जो एक बंदा किसी चीज के तरफ हो गया कि अच्छा किसी को लेट्स से कोई टॉपिक उठा लो, किसी भी चीज का, रियल एस्टेट का, इमिग्रेशन का, इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री, किसी भी कोई कंपनी, एनीथिंग, अगर 2-3 लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो चौथे बंदे को जो पता भी नहीं है कुछ, वो भी उसके बारे में बात करने लग जाएगा. द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट वी हैव अराउंड इन आवर सोसाइटी इज के चाहे उनको कुछ पता है चाहे नहीं पता, हर बंदे को अपना ओपिनियन देना है और गलत साबित करना है दूसरी चीज को. वो ओपिनियंस के चक्करों में क्या होता है, पीपल मेक अ इमेज कि अच्छा ही इसने कहा तो ऐसा ही होगा.
हाँ, राइट, इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं,
इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं. बट अभी पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत कम है, नेगेटिविटी बहुत ज्यादा है.
So I want to know what is your approach if you have to change another person's mindset?
Sure, Komal, I think environment plays a very big role into it. So again, association, what kind of people we're sitting down with and having a discussion with, that's very important. What I personally did initially and what we have incorporated in our team as well, I'll talk about that. So I personally made sure that I'm a good book reader, like I'm always reading new books, and I make sure that I finish at least once a month. And I try fulfilling my goal as well. Book reading is something that, imagine somebody's 30, 50, 60 years of experience is into those couple hundred pages.
Correct.
And somebody's giving you that hey, like I have made those mistakes, but you make sure you don't make it. So book reading and listening to podcasts has played a big role in our career, at the same time in our personal life as well. And talking about how to improve the mindset of others, again, I can't be putting something on somebody's mind by force, okay? I have to incorporate it with examples. I have to make sure that I show them that what is their possibility. Let's say if I tell you, Komal, think big, you're not going to start thinking big.
Correct.
But if I tell you some examples that, Komal, this person was exactly in your situation, this person has done this, and made sure now at, climbing the heights. And now you're like, okay, Pawan, if I do this, I think I can also achieve it. Definitely you can. So rather than me telling you to do things, I'll show you the path.
Correct.
Right? So that's a big thing that we do in our business across the whole team. Everybody just make sure they understand and see the examples, and that's how you believe in yourself, and that's how you can do it.
And also it's important to have that personal touch, na?
Right.
कि वो personal connection जब होता है, that people can easily connect with you and understand, okay, this is how I should go forward, or this is how I should do it. So it's better for them to do it, right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
They have to see examples. They have to see some real picture of it.
And also when they see you, they get very motivated. यार ये कर सकती तो मैं भी तो कर सकती हूँ, ना? That kind of.
There's another example I'll give. My husband was a trucker for almost 6 years. He drove truck, and whenever he would, think of doing something else, he would be like, no, it's not for me. I can only drive truck. Why? Because every day he's talking to who? Truckers. All the conversation they're having daily is, I really want to do something, but they can't. Like, that they'll talk about the positive part, also talk about negative part, that it's not for me, मेरे से नहीं होगा, लोगों से बात कैसे करेंगे, वो confidence नहीं है, right? अभी कभी किसी के सामने presentation तक नहीं दी, college में भी पीछे रहने वाले बंदे होते हैं, right? Even though he's done engineering, he has done a lot in his career as well, but he always had that people fear. He was introvert. But what happened when he started coming to trainings, and I would always bring him to our seminar sessions, like, आना ही पड़ेगा मेरे साथ, right? So he would see other people just like him, who were at the same position, and they changed themselves, and then that's how, they are becoming successful. So as a result, when he saw that happening for a year or so, he's like, okay, if they can do it, I think I can do it, let me go forward. So one thing here, a catch is, changing is very important.
Yeah.
हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, हम अपने mind पे कुछ abilities जो होती हैं हमारी natural, वो उनको disabilities बना लेते हैं कि ये मेरे से तो होगा ही नहीं, and as a result जो opportunity हमारे पास आती भी है, वो हम give up भी कर देते हैं कई बार, thinking कि ये अब मेरे लिए नहीं बनी. But when somebody says it's not my cup of tea, I really tell them, hey, at least try the tea.
Yeah.
Maybe you like it.
Yeah,
right?
maybe you like it.
So
Correct.
I think that's changing is very important. Improving ourselves is the biggest key to become successful.
And also people who are not confident in themselves, how will you, like that one advice you will give, this is you need to do, and if you will do this, you will get more confident person. So what advice you would want to give to that person?
So there are different type of confidence, Komal. One confidence is in somebody's career. If I'm a particular, I'm into IT, for example. How will I get confident into that particular, career is by getting more knowledge about it. I need to improve myself, gain knowledge, get more certifications, and keep gaining something, and I will actually get confident into that. Talking about a natural confidence, like just having a confidence in talking to someone, having a confidence in running a show or stuff like that, that will some part of it will be natural too, some part of it will be that you're always challenging your limits. I'll give you example. It's so funny. One of my initial challenge was, I was a good friend maker. I would always make friends, like I'll have people in my touch, but I would not be talking to them much. I would always expect the other person to say hi to me, reply to my message first, and then I would go. And I figured out somehow that that's an ego.
A lot of people have this.
That 3 word could actually break everything in a relation, in a business, everything. And I said, if I give up on this one thing I have, that's ego, I could make so many friends, and I would be genuinely friend with them, not by me, right? And if ever that happened, like I made sure that somebody does not give up on a relationship because of me.
Yeah.
So giving up on ego is very important if somebody really want to get confident onto things. Because if we still have the ego and we want to run any business, get good into any career, our ego will always come in the picture and stop us from being our level best version.
Got it. And also how the financial industry has changed over the time period. वो पहले कैसी थी और अब कैसी है. Now I see a lot of people are coming to this, and that, of course, पैसे तो सबको कमाने, but that one factor could be a very important thing. पैसे तो आप किसी में भी कमा सकते हो.
Right.
But why people are coming in this financial industry?
See, if you ever Google that which industry has produced the most millionaires, it is financial industry. And if you also see that baby boomers generation is actually retiring, so basically there are tons of financial advisors which are retiring. So what is happening is there's a lot of need of a personal advisor in the market. Okay, there's about 38 million people in Canada and about some few more millions in US. So this is a big market across North America. And when, let's say, if I need something and you need something, like our need is the same. These are the services in financial industry which is not negligible. We have to do it. We have to take it.
Correct.
There rarely anybody who would buy a house on cash, those days are gone. So I have to go through mortgage, get the insurance for everything, get knowledge of investment. With the baby boomers retiring, there's a lot of need of a personal advisor. Right? This is why many people chose to be in this industry. And this industry is not for people who think short term. It is not for short term minded people. Somebody who think I'll go in this, make some money, get out of it, do something else. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for that kind of thinking, because it's a long-term industry. You want to make sure you're always there for people, and whenever they need you, you're there. At the same time, you're giving your services without any obligation. 100% you're giving your best. We have some clients who would need money tomorrow, let's say out of some of their accounts, and we'll make sure we're there for them. Sometimes people also reach us after hours, and our admin usually works about 8 to 9 o'clock. So she's always there to help, and then we're always making sure we're delivering our promises. I personally have clients across overall every state in Canada, and then we are expanding big in US now. I have a client in BC, let's say. Their time zones and everything is so different.
Yeah.
Still, that client know that Pawan is always there for me, even though the client call me at their 6 o'clock. That's mine, right? I don't mind. I don't say, hey, I'm out of office. I can't help you. Right? That's called a service that people are looking for. So
they trust you a lot in this. I think so.
And this is required. This is a need of the market today. People need knowledge and education. Financial education and knowledge more than anything else. A product is same out there too. In any other industry or in any other institution, same product. It's the same, let's say, TFSA account.
Correct.
How to utilize it is somebody's personalized special knowledge on it, and they can help you make a better decision with the same account.
And also they put a lot of confidence in you कि यार ये साथ में तो मेरा नुकसान नहीं होगा.
Right.
Yeah, that's a big thing to achieve. कि एक trust level achieve करना.
Right.
So how you make sure that what I'm delivering, I'm confident about it, and it's always go like this? Is that the thing that why people trust you more?
Definitely, that's one, and also that we keep upgrading ourselves. I'm not limited to just one product provider or one product, one kind of insurance. No, I know everything that we do, and I understand that deeply. So when we are sitting with our prospects or client, they understand that okay, if she's explaining me everything, उसको पता है सारी चीजें. She's not like bringing it out of the moon, So वो knowledge जो है वो खुद ही speak करती है in your conversations.
And then they know that you're the expertise. Guys, if you need any financial help, please reach out to her.
Reach out to you.
Reach out to me as well. So beside, as you do a lot of like बहुत ज़्यादा clients के साथ deal करते हो financially, what else motivates you other than this?
Traveling. It's been 10 months in 9 months in 2024 already. But me and Gagan have personally taken about 10 plus flights. So
wow.
few more to come in this year. Probably will take more flights than more months, than 12 months in 2024. And that's another bliss that we always get, that whenever we were earlier, before this business, we were dating, let's say. I would think of like we were in long distance for some time, and I would think so much to buy a flight, and would not even meet each other. We have never met before that too after, just because of the flight part. And now every now and then we're booking a flight and traveling, and company pays for most of those trips as well. So that's another bliss, that you could be on the go, over the call, still running a business and getting paid. And it's also because our company is really a big fan of recognizing people and giving them these ventures that's traveling. Let's say there's an annual trip to Hawaii every year, so there's certain things we do, and you qualify for a free Hawaii trip. And what else? What else you're looking for? And I think when we talk about traveling also teaches us a lot.
That's very, very true point.
Right? You go to other places, you talk to people, you learn, from them. And if we learn, we can learn so much from, meeting new people than actually watching something. So that's another bliss.
Thank you, Pawan, for coming to the show. It was pleasure having you, and I have a small gift for you. We are giving this to everyone, to every guest we have. It's a Bliss of Life. Bliss of Life. Bliss is a dog. Sure. So it's on him, and it's a memory for you and for us as well, that you came and you show up with the presence over here. So thank you for coming. Thank you for everything, and thank you for the knowledge you have shared. So you can have
thank
it.
You. Thank you for
guys,
having me.
thank you so much for watching the podcast. And if you need any personalized financial help, please reach out to her. We will link her account as well below. And please share with as many as people you can, because it's a very knowledgeable podcast. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Lots of love.